Oh, right, yeah. This is a PayPal from Nancy. I was thinking I don't know this person, no. Snowy White, Bird of Paradise. I was thinking, is this, but it's Winters. Is it Johnny Winters? That's what I was thinking. But there might be anyway, I'm just thinking of, I don't know whether this, anyway, yeah, it's kind of a nothing point. But yeah, Snowy White, Bird of Paradise. Let's go.
Saw you flying by, flash of turquoise blue. I just had to try to keep your life in view. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. Wish that I could fly, I'd be beside you now. But I could only sigh and watch you circle round. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. My bird of paradise. Saw you fly away. When will you come again? So I can watch you play in the pouring rain. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. My bird of paradise.
That was fire. That was fire. This is who, yeah, Nancy was saying he was like close friends with Peter Green, and I can see the because I thought first of all I was thinking this chord progression is beautiful. Where the chords was going to, like, and then plus his melody over the top. But for me, it really was the chord progression of the song. I thought this is beautiful, and then his singing was great. But all of that can just go away as far as I'm concerned because his guitar playing blew everything else. Because I was thinking he's got the way he was doing the little fills gave me Peter Green. Like I could see where them two would be like friends. I can see where there's like a because the songwriting a bit like Peter Green. Although Peter Green majority of his stuff was blues, he was he was also pushing the boundary and being different and creative. This song had like it wasn't your typical like blues or whatever, but you could hear that guitar playing even when he was doing fills, and it had that his guitar playing has got an influence of blues, and so you could feel that kind of bluesy thing, but the song really wasn't. Um, but then the solo, he like once the song was kind of playing more, it gave me more Pink Floyd, like that type of level. That especially with the guitar playing, he's a great guitar player. This guy, like he's a great guitar player. Like I say, I liked everything about this, but for me, his guitar playing stole the show. Then that was unreal when he just started going, and it did. It gave me Gilmore vibes like that level. And I think with the sound of the band behind him, that also contributed to that kind of Pink Floydy, dreamy thing. But just excellent guitar playing. That was yeah. But I got to say again, just the chord progression of the tune, where the chords was dropping to, and that such beautiful changes, which seems like an odd thing to say. I mean, people don't normally say the chord progression, but it was actually like and his melody, it was all great, but god damn, that guitar playing was something else. That was something else. Yeah, he's fire. He's fire. We have to do more of him, without a doubt. Because as well, I always say it like Joe Bonamassa. When I first saw Joe Bonamassa, I was just like, this is my type of guitar playing. Like you hear certain guitar players and you go, I like this. Um, but I had that. I had that on the fills. I could feel his guitar playing chops just when he was doing the little fills behind his singing. When he went though, good God, yeah, that was amazing, amazing. But yeah, yeah, absolute fire. But that's the reaction. Sweet.